As far as homework goes, and grading, we usually have about 4 assignments a night. Reading log is one. We went over that. And we usually have an ELA worksheet. I give them about 15 minutes to work on that in class. I'd say about 65–70% of kids get it done then. Most others finish in the last 20 minutes of the day. But again, they have an opportunity to ask me questions if they don't understand. We usually go over a few. Most people get that done. Most students get that done. Reading log has to be done at home. That's 20 minutes and then about maybe 5 minutes of writing. Then we have daily facts, which is this half sheet here. We start with addition and subtraction the first quarter, second quarter is multiplication, and third quarter is division. Fourth quarter is a mix between all three. Most students finish this in the morning after their morning work. They usually have plenty of time. So they really shouldn't have daily facts for homework. It is just something I would like them to bring home. Maybe you could check over, just grab a calculator, boom, 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 save some time. Make sure it's correct if they're having any issues. I know we go over these every single day before math class, so they should know how to do it. We also have a math workbook page. I give them about 15 minutes in class, sometimes more, right after math, so that once it's fresh in their minds, they can work on it. I walk around, answer questions if they need them. Most kids finish that in math class. That's our homework. Occasionally we'll do spelling. Mondays, words are 3 times each. The words are on their newsletter. I give them about 10 minutes in class to work on those, an extra 10. Plus time at centers, and then the last 20 minutes of the day is always homework time. That's where they hopefully complete their homework other than the reading log. And my hope is to have a reading log the only thing they take home. Occasionally there's other things, so if it gets to be over, if it gets an hour of homework and they're not done, make sure they just stop. Write a little note to me. I have no problem with them stopping. We'll go over what we need to go over in the morning. They'll get full credit. Don't push them over an hour. I know kids need to be kids, and that's very important to me. Make sure they have a personal life. They're not going home doing 3 hours of homework. So no more than an hour. My hope, if they are managing their time properly, it should be reading log, and that's about it. Maybe a few questions on math or ELA. As far as grading goes, during the week, each workbook assignment, either ELA or math, is worth 2 points. If they get over half the questions right, they will get the full 2 points. If they go below half, I take away a point, give them a 50%. If they miss almost every question, I will give them a 0 out of 2. So if they do get half the assignment wrong, it's going to show up as an F, but it's only out of 2 points. The main points are on Friday with our tests. We haven't had too many in the past 5 years of teaching third grade. We've maybe had 1 or 2 Fs, and it was because the student refused to do the work. So it's pretty easy grading scale. Daily facts are worth 1 point. Reading logs are worth 1 point. So it's 3 points a night for each subject. Kids usually do pretty well on these. And then the test is pending 20 to, well, I'd say 15 to 30 points a week on Friday. So that's how we do our grading here. If you guys have any questions, please ask. I'm usually here. I've been trying to get out of here a little earlier. I recently got married, so that's a big thing for me to get out of here at 4:30. But under any circumstance, I'll do anything I can to help your students succeed in here. I don't know if you've talked to them. I try to have a lot of fun, but I am very strict. Thank you guys for watching all these videos. I know it's been a pain. I really wanted to go to back to school night. I had this whole presentation planned since last year, and of course I can't do it. So please don't be a stranger. Hit me up on Remind anytime you can, anytime you need me, any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. I'm looking forward to a great school year. Your kids were well prepared coming in. They obviously had great teachers last year. Everybody's getting their work in. You guys are some awesome parents. Thank you very much.